Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to learn the 3 steps to write an introduction in 6 minutes. The first sentence in your introduction is the background information. This is a general statement relating to the topic using synonyms of the keywords in the question. There are many ways to write a background information sentence. For example, the question is, some people think that the money spent on looking after animals in zoos or national parks would be better spent on improving the lives of the human population. To what extent do you agree with this statement? For this question, a background information sentence can be, zoos and national parks are becoming increasingly popular nowadays. Question 2. Today, more and more people are using mobile phones and computers. Thus, people are losing their abilities to communicate face-to-face. To what extent do you agree or disagree? A background information sentence for this question can be, nowadays, mobile phones and computers have become accessible to almost everyone in many countries, rich and poor alike. Question 3. Nowadays, private companies carry out more scientific research than their government. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? A background information can be, private companies' contribution is of vital importance for developing research initiatives in recent years. Question 3. Some people say that governments should control tightly the use of fresh water. Others say that individuals should use as much water as they want. Discuss both views and give your opinions. A background information sentence can be, many areas over the world are now feeling the crippling effects of water shortages. However, I understand that this can be very confusing for some students. One of the most simple and effective methods that I have found for writing a background information sentence is talking about an increase relating to the topic in the question. Some useful sentences that you can remember are, over the past few years, there has been a significant increase in. Recent years have witnessed a dramatic growth in. Over the last few decades, an increase in has been considerable. Let's look at this question. Question 1. Unemployment has become an increasing problem in recent past. What factors contribute to an increase in unemployment, and what steps can be taken to solve the problem? The background information sentence for this introduction can be, over recent years, the level of unemployment has been increasing at an alarming rate in many countries around the world. Question 2. Some people say that instead of seeing the internet as a way of opening up communication possibilities worldwide, we should be concerned about the effects this is having on social interaction. Do you agree? The background information sentence can be, recent years have witnessed an exponential growth in the number of internet users in almost every part of the world. Question 3. Wild animals have no place in the 21st century, and the protection is the waste of resources. To what extent do you agree or disagree? A background information can be, in the recent years, there has been a dramatic decrease in the number of wild animals, which had brought about serious detriments to the environment. Question 4. alcohol abuse is becoming more and more common in many countries. What are some of the problems associated with alcohol abuse, and what are some of the possible solutions? The background formation sentence can be: nowadays, there has been an ever-increasing amount of alcohol consumption in various nations around the world. Another way to start your introduction is mentioning about the topic of debate. Some useful language you can use for this situation is: in recent years, there have been significant debates about. The issue of has engendered a great deal of accurate debate in recent times. The issue of has become a matter of great concern in society. Something has become an issue of broad interest to governments in many countries. Let's look at some examples. Question 1. Noise pollution has been a serious issue in many countries nowadays. Some people think that there should be some strict controls about noise. Others think that they could just make as much noise as they want. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The background information sentence can be: in recent years, there have been significant debates about whether to impose strict control on noise. Question 2. Some people believe that to improve health, the government should increase the number of sports facilities. Others believe that it has little effects and need other measures to improve it. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The background formation sentence can be: the question of how to improve health of the general public has become a matter of great concern in recent years. Question 3. Media violence is a significant cause of social violence. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The background information can be: regarding whether violence shown in the media is the culprit of crimes in society, opinions are widely divergent. If you don't know how to start your introduction, remember to talk about an increase or about a topic of debate. And I will see you in the next video where we are going to look at the rest of the introduction.